So I'm now joined by Mr. Ian Morgan. Ian, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm your medical director here at Soul Care Aesthetics. So
Yes.
tell us a little bit about your role here.
So I'm the medical director, but I also administer many of the aesthetic treatments, which include toxins for wrinkle relief and fillers for filling volume problems in the face and other areas.
And you do Botox, don't you, here? Which is called, there's a correct name for that, isn't there?
Well, the generic name is botulinum toxin. Botox is actually the trade name given to it by one of the companies who manufacture it.
Oh, I see. And that's your number one sort of treatment that you have here?
The main reason that people come here is to have botulinum toxin treatments.
And you do other treatments here. You do a treatment called Silhouette, don't
Yes,
you? So tell us about that. What is
well,
that?
one of the other features of the ageing face, if I can put it that way, is tissue laxity. So the tissues tend to relax, and the volume that was initially in the cheeks can sink down the face and form jowls and heaviness to the folds in the mid-face. So traditionally those patients or clients would have chosen to have surgical options, or fillers can be used to disguise some of the features of that aging process. Now we have an alternative where we can actually resuspend or lift up the sagging tissues to restore the normal facial features and geometry. So these are fine threads. They're just like sutures, but on these sutures are mounted a series of cones held in place by knots, and these cones will fix within the tissues and allow the lifting effect to be generated.
So that is really like a facelift.
It's not quite the same. It's a lesser degree of lifting, but it can be used in clients who are considering some sort of lifting procedure.